the strip of information at the bottom of the image frame here is called Datazone, and this Datazone, it can be added by click on View at menu bar and then Datazone and show Datazone. You can choose by yourself what you want to have on the Datazone. First, click on Select Annotation Object over here at the bottom, and then you can click on the Datazone, right click, Properties, unlock this panel. So now you can select individual object inside the Datazone. So for example, now if I don't want a pixel size, I can delete it by select on it and then press on delete on the keyboard. And I can add more parameters by click at the EM parameter at the bottom here and click on Datazone, and we come up with annotation SEM parameters. There's lots of parameters that you can choose. I want to add magnification, so I can double click, choose it, and it come up here. And I also want to add stage at tilt position, so I can type it at stage at T over here. So double click, select it, and then say OK. And I can change the font size here as the same as the other by right click, Property, Font, and yeah, I can change the colors, the size, and the type of the font if I want. So there, and I can set there. And after we're done with the edit the Datazone, you also have to lock the panel again here by right click, Properties, lock this panel, and then remember to go back to EM mouse control over here, because this function that allow you that you can double click on the parameters at the Datazone and you can change the parameters here. For example, at the signal here, I can double click and then I can see all the signals or detectors that we have on this SEM. So I can select to the other signal. For example, if I want to choose the signal from TV2, so I can click TV2 and say OK. So I get another view of my sample inside the SEM chamber.